Imagine logging into the biggest crypto trading platform in the world only to discover it no longer exists. That's what happened to BitMEX. On July 23, 2026, the exchange announced it will shut down after an 11-year run, with users given until September 23rd to close their positions and withdraw their funds. But this isn't just another exchange going out of business. BitMEX changed crypto forever. In fact, if you've ever traded perpetual futures on Binance, Bybit, OKX or Hyperliquid, you've used an idea BitMEX helped bring to the mainstream. So, how does the company that helped invent modern crypto trading end up disappearing? This is the rise and the fall of BitMEX. To understand BitMEX, we need to go back to 2014. Bitcoin was still a niche asset. Ethereum hadn't launched yet. Most crypto exchanges were incredibly basic. If you wanted to buy Bitcoin, you could. If you wanted to sell it, you could. But professional traders wanted something more. They wanted leverage. They wanted to profit whether the market went up or down. Traditional financial markets had derivatives for this. Crypto didn't. That gap created an opportunity. Three founders, Arthur Hayes, Bengele, and Samuel Reed set out to build an exchange for traders. They call it BitMEX. At first, not many people understood what they were building, but that was about to change. BitMEX became famous for one product, perpetual futures. Unlike traditional futures contracts that expire on a specific date, perpetual contracts don't. You can hold them indefinitely as long as you maintain enough margin. It sounds simple today, but at that time, it was revolutionary. Suddenly, traders could speculate on Bitcoin's price with leverage and without worrying about contract expiration. The product spread like wildfire. Soon, traders from all over the world started opening accounts on BitMEX. Then came another headline feature, 100x leverage. That meant a trader could control a position worth $100 with just $1 of their own money. The upside looked enormous, but so did the risk. Entire accounts could disappear in seconds, and for many traders, they did. Despite the risks, BitMEX exploded. Its daily trading volume reached billions of dollars. Professional traders loved the speed. Retail traders loved the leverage. Crypto Twitter was filled with screenshots of huge wins and devastating liquidations. The problem with crypto is not information, it's noise. Too many ideas, too many signals, and not enough clarity. So inside the Gekood app email newsletter, I filtered that down into what actually matters for building passive income and staying consistent in the markets. You can join the newsletter using the link down below. Let's keep going. Arthur Hayes became one of the industry's recognizable figures. BitMEX wasn't just another exchange. It became the place serious crypto traders talked about. In many ways, it defined an entire generation of crypto trading. But dominance doesn't last forever, especially in crypto. As crypto became more mainstream, governments started paying closer attention. Regulators wanted crypto exchanges to know who their customers were, prevent money laundering, and comply with financial laws. BitMEX found itself under intense scrutiny. Authorities alleged that its compliance controls were not strong enough. Leadership changed. Trust began to weaken. And then, as BitMEX was preparing to shut down, a controversy emerged. A proposed class action lawsuit accused the exchange and its former executives of market manipulation, insider trading, and theft. The lawsuit alleges that insiders used confidential information to trade against customers and profit unfairly. It also claims that the platform's liquidation systems and internal practices harmed users. Now, it's important to point out that these are allegations, and at the time of recording, they have not been proven in court, and BitMEX hasn't been found liable. But whether the allegations succeed or not, its timing couldn't have been worse. BitMEX's legacy will likely be remembered in two ways: as the exchange that revolutionized crypto derivatives, and as the company that whose later years was overshadowed by regulatory battles and legal disputes. While BitMEX dealt with regulatory and legal issues, the rest of the industry kept moving. Binance expanded rapidly. Bybit focused on derivatives. OKX introduced new products. Hyperliquid showed that decentralized perpetual trading could attract serious volumes without needing traditional centralized exchanges. Quick one, before we continue, if you want the exact tools and the platforms I personally use, I've put everything into one place, plus discounts so you don't overpay. You can check them out at the Gekood Hub Deals page. The link is down below. Now let's keep going. The markets no longer revolved around BitMEX. Users had choices, more assets, new features, lower fees. BitMEX wasn't just competing anymore, it was trying to catch up. And in crypto, that's one of the hardest positions to be in. Then came the announcement. On July 23rd, 2026, BitMEX announced that it would cease its operations. The exchange informed users that they had until September 23rd to close their open positions and withdraw their funds. After more than a decade, one of the most influential exchanges had reached the end of the road. For new traders, BitMEX may just be another name, but for veteran traders, this marked the end of an era. It's easy to think that market leaders stay on top forever. History says otherwise. MySpace dominated social media. BlackBerry ruled smartphones. Yahoo defined internet search. And in crypto, BitMEX helped redefine an entire industry. Yet being first doesn't guarantee you'll remain the leader. Innovations get copied, competition improves, regulations evolve, user expectation changes. The crypto industry moves faster than any other, and today's giant can become tomorrow's history lesson. BitMEX leaves behind something bigger than an exchange. It leaves behind an idea. Perpetual futures transformed crypto trading and are now being used by millions of traders every day across countless platforms. The company may be shutting down, but its influence isn't. What do you think was the biggest reason behind BitMEX's decline? Was it regulation, competition, poor decision? Or was it simply impossible to stay on top in an industry that reinvents itself every few years? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more stories about the people and companies shaping crypto, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.